Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll solve another new question from number theory. Find all integral solutions of x plus y plus z equals to 3, x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3. We have to solve it. We have to find all integers which satisfy your x, y, z. So let's proceed. So first I am writing a very shortcut formula or new formula to solve this type of question, that is x plus y plus z whole cube minus x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3 times of x plus y plus y plus z plus z plus x. I am not proving this formula. I can take help of another video to prove it. But for this particular question, we can use this formula. Then applying here, x plus y plus z is 3. So 3 cube minus this is 3 equals to 3 times of x plus y into y plus z plus x. Or shifting to exchanging the sides, I can write 3x plus y plus z and z plus x equals to 27 minus 3, that will be 24. Or we are getting x plus y plus z plus x equals to 24 divided by 3, that will be 8. So we'll replace this x plus y from x plus y plus z is given to 3. That means x plus y can be written as 3 minus z. Y plus z can be written as 3 minus x. And your z plus x can be written as 3 minus y. So the equation becomes 3 minus z, 3 minus x, 3 minus y equals to 8. So there are 3 factors on the left hand side and which are co-prime to each other. So we have to think of 8 as product of 3 co-prime factors. So it can be 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. 8 can be written as 8 into 1 into 1. Again, it can be written as 4 into 2 into 1, but this will not taken because they are not co-prime. Sorry, this is rejected. So first I am taking case 1. Case 1, when 3 minus z x into 3 minus y into 3 minus z equals to 2 multiplies 2 multiplies 2. So this gives us 3 minus x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 1. 3 minus y equals to 2. This gives us y is equal to 1. 3 minus z equals to 2 gives us your z is equal to 1. So one solution we got already, which since the beginning anybody can guess, that is it should be 1 1 1. So we got it. Now coming to second factor. Second factor is 811. Before that, let us analyze some more thing or think critically. What's that? If we take this sum of three factors, 3 plus x plus 3 minus y plus 3 minus z equal to your 9 minus x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z is 3. So this is 9 minus 3, 6. That means I have to think of the product or the values as the sum should be 6. If I am taking 8, 8, 8, 1, 1 does not give the sum is 6. Rather, it should be 8, negative 1, negative 1. This gives us 6. So instead of this, we'll take this one. So now comparing again, not this one, but this. Now comparing this, so I can write 3 minus x equals to 8. This gives us x is equal to negative 5. The same way, 3 minus y equal to negative 1. This gives us y is equal to 4. Now 3 minus z equals to negative 1. This gives us z is equal to 4. So it is not particular that x, y, z are having this value. This is the combination. So when x is equal to minus 1, I am getting minus 5, 4, 4. It may be your y is equal to minus 4, 5. So this is a combination. Minus 5, other two will be 4, 4. Or this can be 4, 4, minus 5. So from this second one, 8 minus 1 minus 1. And I told why it is minus 1 minus 1 because the sum should be 6. And for 2 to 2 it was correct because 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. And 4 into 2 into 1 we will not take because they are not co-prime. So total solution of x, y, z will be how much? First is 1, 1, 1. Then it is your minus 5, 4, 4. Then your 4 minus 5, 4. Can you think of any other? So thank you for watching. Thank you for inspiring me. Please keep on watching, keep on learning because there is no end in learning. Thank you.